Stop scrolling. Most JE aspirants get this wrong because they try to attack it with heavy algebra. We're given the parabola y squared equals 4x. A chord through the origin meets it at point A, and we're asked to find two successive loci. Sounds complicated? Watch this. Take the midpoint of OA. As the chord rotates, that midpoint traces a new curve, and surprisingly, it becomes y squared equals 2x. Now here's the twist. Take any point P on this new parabola. Divide OP internally in the ratio 3:1. No messy expansion, just transformation. And the final locus becomes 2y squared equals 3x. If you want to master JEE Maths with clarity like this, subscribe to JEE Maths Mastery. Let's make geometry effortless.